So next one is JV. JV is called as joint venture. It is a restricted or temporary partnership between two or more firms. So two or more companies join together to achieve a particular goal. That is going to be JV. So undertaking jointly to complete a venture. So they form a legal agreement saying for 5 to 10 years we will form a partnership or JV and we will complete a task. After that we will separate from each other. The JV agreement comes to an end after the completion of work. So after the work is completed, the companies become independent entities. They don't have any relationship between them. Profit and loss are shared between co-ventures. So if two companies are jointly proposing a venture to build a building, then how much ever profit they get, it will be shared by mutually agreed upon terms between the two ventures. Okay, so that is joint venture. Sometimes one company will have the money, one company will have the machinery. So they both join so that one can both the money and one can use the machinery. They can create a product. That is also a best example of a joint venture. So advantages is reduces risk because everything is shared. You are going to share profit as well as loss. So it is going to reduce the risk. It helps increases competitive strength. So you are going to when both the companies combine, their strategy is also combined, and it is going to be highly competitive. Possibility to make use of modern technology. So your modern technology can be brought inside for usage in your JB. Disadvantages: function adversely affected, attack, lack of understanding. The two companies are not properly in sync. They are not understanding what each other is trying to say. Then the JV will be collapse completely. The JV will be collapsing. Okay, the JV will be collapsing completely. And legal restriction on foreign investments limit joint hands with foreign firms. So when you are going to put a JV with a company in the foreign abroad outside India, then the legal issues will stop that because you have certain government regulations which you cannot bypass and bring a company from abroad and put a JV with them. So there are a lot of legal issues which have to be sorted out and lot of permissions to be obtained from the government, state and central government, so that if you are going to put a JV with a foreign company, the foreign investments you cannot attract to a larger extent. The foreign investments are going to be limited. And if conflict arises, then how are you going to resolve it? If conflict is going to arise, see, this JV is formed only based on pure trust and integrity, right? So if conflict happens, definitely there is a chance that the joint venture may be broken down completely. Okay, that issue is there in JV.